Namaskaram everyone. How do you measure your spiritual progress? My name is Vasundhara Tarware and I've been practicing yoga, way of living, not just the asana practice, for the last 25 years. Thanks to my father who introduced me to it. And I'm often asked, how do we evolve? I'm often asked, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, yet I'm not feeling satisfied. You often get these questions yourself, and if you do, the answer is that we are spiritual beings having a human experience. We are meant to evolve. Our complete purpose to be existing on this planet is to evolve, is to become better and better and better. Unfortunately, we think materialistic evolution or betterment or progress is it. It's not the case. Look around. You may have a hefty bank balance, you may have all the kinds of cars, all the branded bags, a collection of fancy saris and outfits and heels to go with it and jewelry to adorn yourself from the best of the best brands in the world, be it Tiffany's or Chanel or Louis Vuitton or whatever else is there. But the answer to whether you are spiritually progressing or not is whether you're happy. Are you happy? Truly, authentically, awesomely happy? Are you happy with all your materialistic collections? Are you more loving than yesterday? Are you more compassionate? Are you more giving? Are you more understanding? Are you more you? Or less of you every single day? Who are you trying to impress? If it's not you, then you're not on the spiritual path. Then you're doing something else. Once you realize, you come back on this path, and besides all the parameters, that is whether you're happy, you're more loving, you're more giving, you're more caring, you're more forgiving, you're more compassionate, you're more understanding, are you less angry? Are you less stressed? Are you less negative? Are you less jealous? Are you less diseased? Are you more in comfort with your own self? These are the parameters you got to measure yourself on. These are the spiritual parameters. If you are doing all that you're doing to materialistically progress in your life, however, you're failing to be a good friend, a good son, a good wife, a good daughter, or a good mother, or a good father, a good husband, a good citizen, a good everything, the roles and responsibilities that you have taken upon yourself, if you are not fulfilling those with happiness, with satisfaction, with that joy within you, with the spark in your eyes, then what good is that materialistic pleasure, so-called, for you in this lifetime? If you are not progressing spiritually, if you're not a better human being than you were yesterday, if you're more angry, more irritated, more disturbed, more stressed, more insomniac, can't sleep at night, less happy, think again. What are you here for? And again, who do you want to impress? Go love yourself, people. I love you very, very much. If you like the message that I have for you, please share it with the loved ones. Please let them know too. Live for yourself and then spread the joy from within you around the world, wherever you go. Please subscribe to my channel for more such content, more such messages, more spiritual being, living, contagiously, that is. Because spirituality is sexy and self-love is sacred. Thank you for watching and I love you very, very much. Mwah! Let me know in the comments below how you like this video and definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Mwah!